First of all, before I even get into the video, I am actually really sorry for not posting. I've been really busy because I've been studying for a bunch of tests that I had to take next week, and it's so annoying. Anyway, uh, I need help. I'm confused. So I was just sitting here playing Fortnite, right? Cause it's Saturday. Saturday. No one's gonna study on Saturday. So I'm just sitting here studying, right? And well, I'm not studying. Oh my god, I'm playing Fortnite. Why does my controller turn off? Entirely off. Like it was literally just on. Look, so you know how controllers, right? They're supposed to turn yellow when they're charging. There's the charger for it. Nothing. It won't even turn back on. Like I've been trying to turn this shit back on for over an hour. I'm clicking the button, right? Nothing. Like I'm I need help. Like someone tell me in the comments what to do. Cause I've had this controller since the end of Christmas. Nothing. I mean my TV and stuff. Look, I just unplugged my PlayStation because I don't have anything else to do. So my TV is kind of just like this because I can't switch it back to HDMI 2 because my dad is in here and I don't know how to like do the thingy and stuff. But I kind of just unplugged it because I don't know what else to do. So I've literally just been sitting here trying to figure this out. I mean, I'm also kind of watching YouTube at the same time, but let's see if I can get it to work if this is on. I just turned it on, so I'm gonna see if it still works. I'm gonna see if it still doesn't like do what it's supposed to do. I will be right back. Okay, so my TV is actually on now, and my PlayStation's on. Still nothing. And this just turned off. I don't know if it's my PlayStation or what. Cause look at this. See, it's on now, but this isn't. This won't turn on. Like someone in the comments, tell me what I'm supposed to do. Cause, huh? And it's the day that I was gonna bring my PlayStation back to my mom's. To my mom's. So now I'm just gonna be stuck with this on the screen until I figure out how to get a new controller. Because this one doesn't work. So, oh, I don't know what to do. Because the PlayStation itself works. This doesn't. And I don't know why. Because last time I checked, it was fully charged. And I do not know how to get these little screw parts out either. To see if it just like needs new batteries. Probably it. It's probably it. Probably needs new batteries. Because, like, I didn't know this, but controllers, this part right here is actually a whole entire battery. Like, there's a battery inside of this. And the charger part is to, like, charge the battery. So, I don't know. Maybe it just needs a new battery, or I don't know, but it's not working. But if anybody knows like what happened, just tell me in the comments. Cause I don't know. Like I've never had this issue before. Like ever. I've never had this issue before. Like last night this button, my bottom button right here wasn't working. Don't know why, but yeah, if anybody knows what to do, just let me know, please. Alright. Um Also tell me what I should call you guys. Because I was thinking marshmallows are like little puppies or something. I don't know. Anyway, bye.